Nope, I don't do high fives. It could still be out there. Watching. Waiting. Listening. Are you scrapbooking my plan? There will be no more scrapbooking.
Branch! 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 Are you in there?
I'm not going to your party.
Yeah, the party's over. We just got attacked by a Bergen.
I knew it!
Branch,
Shh!
I have to tell you something.
Shh!
I was just gonna...
Shh, 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 shh! Shh! What? What could be so important that it's worth leading the Bergen right to us?
The Bergen's gone.
You don't know that. It could still be out there. Watching. Waiting. Listening.
Which is why I have to ask you, will you go to Bergentown with me and save everyone?
What? No.
Branch, you can't say no. They're your friends.
They're your friends. I'm staying right here in my bunker where it's safe.
Oh, that's great. You're the one guy who knows more about Bergens than anyone, but when we finally need you, you just want to hide in here forever?
Forever? Pfft, no.
Oh.
You all said I was crazy, huh? Well, who's crazy now? Me. Crazy prepared.
I'm sorry. I should have listened to you. You told me not to throw the party, and I threw it anyway. It's my fault that they were taken, and now I don't know what to do. Well, thanks anyway.
Hey, anytime, Poppy. See you in 10, 11 years.
Oh, hey, Branch. I was just wondering if I could borrow something.
What?
Your bunker.
What?
Okay, everybody, come on in!
No, whoa, wait, Poppy, what are you doing?
You said you have enough provisions to last 10 years, right?
Yeah, to last me 10 years. Me! It'll last them 2 weeks.
Then I guess I better hurry. Branch! 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 Are you in there?
I'm not going to your party.
The party's over. We just got attacked by a Bergen.
Ah, I knew it.
Branch, I have to tell you something.
Shh.
I was just gonna say...
Shush. What? What could be so important that it's worth leading the Bergen right to us?
The Bergen's gone.
You don't know that. It could still be out there. Watching. Waiting. Listening.
No, it left. And it took Cooper and Smidge and Fuzzbert and Satin and Chenille and Biggie and Guy Diamond and Creek. Will you go to Bergentown with me and save everyone?
What? No.
Branch, you can't say no. They're your friends.
They're your friends. I'm staying right here in my bunker where it's safe.
Oh, that's great. You're the one guy who knows more about Bergens than anyone, but when we finally need you, you just want to hide in here forever?
Yes! What? What could be so important that it's worth leading the Bergen right to us?
No, the Bergen's gone.
You don't know that. It could still be out there.
Once upon a time, in a happy forest, in the happiest tree, lived the happiest creatures the world has ever known, the trolls. Don't worry, no troll ever will be, thanks to my dad. That's why we're celebrating with the biggest party ever. Everybody's gonna be there. Branch, I know you have happiness inside you. You just need our help to find it.
To leave before the Bergens come back.
But Dad, they're our friends. We have to rescue them.
Awesome.
Don't worry, Dad. I can do this.
I love you, Poppy.
I love you too, Dad.
So I don't need no reason, don't need control, and then we'll both sing, I fly so high, no ceiling when I'm in my zone.
So don't stop under the lights when everything goes. Nowhere to hide when I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you.
I've ever done on a song, so it's like it's very ugly, but it for some reason it makes sense. Just imagine, just imagine.
I think I hear something.
My father banished you 20 years ago. Okay, cool. And now it's like I wouldn't bring it down.
Chef, where did you come from? My father banished you 20 years ago. Have you been standing behind that plant this whole time? What am I gonna do? I'ma bring back Troasters. Oh! Looks good. Real fancy. All right. Oh, wait a minute. Chef, this isn't enough.
Whoops, hold on.
Sorry.
Here we go. Come on in.
Your tea, sir.
Oh.
Yeah.
We have Justin Timberlake is kind of doing
He's
some
kind of our
intern-
tea guy.
He's kind of our intern production assistant.
Is that the good stuff, or?
All right, looks good. Real fancy. Wait a minute. Chef, this isn't enough trolls to feed all of Bergentown? This looks like a snack pack.
Oh, no. There's plenty more where that came from. Sorry, don't you worry.
No. Trollsness is ruined. We'll never be happy. Never. Oh, Barnabas, you're my only friend in this whole miserable world. Ow! Oh, Dad was right. I'll never, ever, never be happy. Oh, never. Never say never. Ah! Ugh, I look like a child in this one. I need something elegant, something sophisticated, you know? A man's bib. Hot lunch. Total honesty from a total babe. And, who might you be? And I will take one of everything, Bibbly. Things are gonna get messy. Got this feeling in my body. Come and see you move your body.
Gosh,
I just realized
Chris, this is hilarious, dude. So good, man.
Please give it up for your Minister of Happiness, your Keeper of the Trolls, me. You, Scullery Maid. What's your name? That's right. A calm troll is a tasty troll, and you're a key ingredient in my recipe for success. You see, he who controls the trolls controls the kingdom. And I am that he. By this time tomorrow, I will be queen, and all of Bergentown will get exactly what they deserve. True happiness. Oh, if only, sire, I've been out in the wilderness thinking of nothing but how I let you down. If only there was some way I could make you feel better. I have chosen an extra special troll just for you. The happiest, most positive, sweetest troll of all. And because every prince deserves a princess, I give you the one they call Princess Poppy.
It is hug time. Our hearts are synchronizing. Why don't you try some positivity, eh? A little positivity might go with that vest. Comb.
You're a dude?
I knew it!
Shh.
So you guys want to stay quiet, but it's one of these.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Oh, good. Let it out, Bridget. Cry. Get it out. Good. Just cry. It's okay. Cry. Let it out. Good.
I love
nice.
that.
Yeah,
That's
very,
perfect.
very
That'll-
encouraging.
That'll poke out even further than everyone
yeah,
else.
nice.
That's great.
Shh. Cooper. Cooper. I think the king really likes us. I think the king really likes us.
You could not sell us out. Oh, I take your point, yeah. Oh, wait, hang on, you could not sell us out.
But it's a joy every second, James. I promise
Walt's good
you.
at it. Walt loves it.
Guys! Come on, we gotta go! Guys, we gotta go now. You just talked.
Great, man.
When you look in the mirror, let it disappear, all your insecurities. When you look in the mirror, let it disappear, all your insecurities.
You're a dude? I knew it. I knew it the whole time. The craziest party ever. I think the king really likes us. I think the king really likes us. That felt like a keeper. The craziest party ever. Are you sure you want to invite Branch to your party? The craziest party ever. I think the king really likes us.
I mean, who even wants that cake-tipping, coffee-kicking hater coming to your coronation? It's your big day. I mean, who even wants that hater at your party? I mean, who even wants that hater at your party?
What if we made you a new outfit? I'm thinking, jumpsuit! You always ruin everything.
Warning us about the Bergens.
A vest?
With no shirt.
Super cool.
I remember
super
that.
cool.
Yeah, that's our line. 1, 2, 3.
Super cool.
Perfect. Okay.
You always ruin everything.
Warning us about the Bergens.
It's sad. If you say that's right, Bridget, also say just let it all out.
That's right, Bridget. Just let it all out. A vest?
With no shirt?
Super cool.
Okay. Du räknar. 1, 2, 3.
Hug time!
Warning us about the Bergens. With no shirt?
Super cool. Hug time! That's right, Bridget.
Just let it all out.
What if we made you a new outfit? I'm thinking, jumpsuit!
That's super cool. Like, really.
That's super cool.
Like dragging it out at the end.
It's nice. Beautiful. What else
That's
do
how
we
relaxing.
need? Let's try, you like that super cool? Let's try that super cool.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
That's super cool.
That is super cool.
All those things I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. When you dance, 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 feel the good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Come on. I can't stop the feeling. I can't stop the feeling. I can't stop the feeling.
Thank you, Bridget. Bridget, thank you. Thank you for not eating us, Bridget. You didn't eat us. Thank you, Bridget.
Glitter! Glitter! Eat my glitter! He's gaining on us! He's gaining on us! He's gaining on us!
Well, I guess we're all gonna die.
Oh boy, here we go again. Hug time! I can squeeze you forever. Don't forget the party favors. Party favors. Eat glitter!
I'm getting you close. When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine.
The struggle is real. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Oh my God. The struggle is real. The struggle is real. YOLO!